Hello mate, welcome to SmartGence training. So this session is basically about our custom buttons, links and actions in Salesforce. So if you remember in the session of page layouts, we have been talking about these buttons, links and actions to be, pulled out and placed into the page layout, right? So in this video, we'll discuss about this in detail, like what are those and how those should be configured and stuff like that. So firstly, this the ones which are highlighted with the red triangle are the buttons available in the a Salesforce page, or here in specifically account record detail page. So what are buttons, links and actions? Firstly, buttons. So the buttons would connect users to external applications such as the web pages. Like we could configure what are those applications using different content sources, which you'll get to know in the upcoming slides. Then the links would link the user to an external URL, like we can provide the Google URL like www.google.com, or even a Visual Force page. And as you know, Visual Force page is the custom page which was developed by the users in Salesforce itself, right? So we can provide that Visual Force page even as a source of the custom link. And finally, actions. So actions usually, user can do a few actions like create or update records and log calls using those actions. So then, the display type. So before jumping into the display type, I hope we have discussed about this detail page and the edit page during our page layout session, but I just want to reiterate those over here. Like firstly, detail page is the page where the details of the record would be shown. Whereas the edit page is, when we click on that edit button, we will be navigated to a page where we'll be able to edit the records, right? So that page is called the edit page. So coming to the type of displays, so firstly, detail page link. So the link which is available in the record data session. So if you remember, there will be this section called custom links in the page layout demo we have seen, right? So that the links that is placed over there is the detail page link. Then comes the detail page button. So we can place a few buttons at the record detail page. So those buttons are the detail page button. Then finally the list button. So list button is basically the related list. Like if you remember, there will be the related list we'll be defining in the page layout, right? So the buttons in that related list called the list button. Then talking about the content source, what could be the content of a button or link? So firstly, it can be URL. So it can be any URL. Like we can define Google as the content for a link, so something like that. Then it can be on-click JavaScript. So basically, if you want something to happen on click, you can define it. You can configure it using a JavaScript. And finally, a Visual Force page would also be a content for a button or link. And finally comes the action type. So basically all the actions which will be defined here can be done right from the record detail page is what the specialty of actions in Salesforce. So basically you can create a record from a record detail page, or you can update a record, you can send an email, log a call, or even custom Visual Force or lightning component, or even Salesforce flow would be available. So these are the different action types. You would get to know about this in the demo session. So just have a look into this for now. Before diving deep into the demo session, a quick fact. So basically the size of the data storage allowed in the developer edition of Salesforce is just 5 MB, not more, not less.